Hey, what's up, fellow programmers? Today I'm going to be showing you how to detect multiple objects on a video. So right here, actually, we are going to be adding all of the objects that we are going to be detecting into this templates array. And here you can see we're changing all the names of the templates to cards in Clash Royale, because for this video we are going to be checking what cards are in our hand in Clash Royale, and we're going to use our webcam video, so right there you can see that, and our method of detection will be however you say that, but I found it's the best one to use and it works the best. So we're going to open up a while loop and read the webcam. Then we're going to write a file to our templates folder, which you can see on the left side. And then we're going to write our frame. So that's our live webcam feed, my bad. And then we're going to read that folder so we can have it in our program. And we're going to make a copy of it. So you can see right there, I just made a copy. And then we actually have to translate the color from RGB to gray for CV2 because it likes matching templates in gray format for some reason. So we just gotta convert it real quick. Then for storing our items in our hand, we just need to make an empty array. You'll see later we'll work with that a little bit more. So for each object we're detecting, we got to iterate through and then read the items, and then we got to find the shapes. And this is kind of self-explanatory. I don't really need to do this voice walkthrough, but I thought you guys might want to hear my voice. And there is a few things I need to explain. So for this, you'll see it later, but for finding the location of the cards on your screen, it's very important that your iPhone stays in the exact same spot when you're doing the webcam. So personally, I have an extremely ghetto setup, and I have tape around the entire area where I think my phone should be, and you will be able to see that later on. And right about here, we are going to print out our hand, which is always going to be empty, but then we're going to show the webcam, and then whenever you press Q, we're going to make it so that it breaks out of the while loop, and then we're going to close the webcam so it's not recording you in your free time, and we're going to destroy all the windows. So that closes out of the program. And coming up here, there is my good old jerry rig. My beautiful finger is gonna press the play button. And I like the new Clash Royale update, it kinda looks cool. But you'll see in my terminal, it's printing a lot of stuff. A lot of things. It's going fast. And the most important part here is to know what items are in your hand. So Hog Rider, Skeletons, Fireball, Ice Golem. That's what we're rocking with. We're going to lose the game, sadly, but we are going to find the location of where our hand is. So, down here, we are going to write out Hog Rider, Skeletons, Fireball, Ice Golem, because that was our amazing hand, which resulted in a loss. But we can see on our terminal, if you look real closely, you can see the location of each card, and you can see they're all kind of in the same area, except the X coordinate is very far off from each other, but you can see the Y coordinates, 420, baby. You know the vibes. We're gonna put them in order real quick, and from this you can kind of get a range of where it is. So like, just picture like a square over your hand. So if the location is within that square, that means it's in our hand, if that makes sense. But right here we're calculating our range. Just subtract a few from 420 and add a few to 423, which is the max y. In location 0 gives you the x, so we want it to be above 580. And pretty much just, yeah, right here we're making the square. Gotta check back and forth about 20 times because I have a pretty bad memory. Doesn't really help me when I'm programming. Kind of sucks actually. And I'm also bad at typing, which is even better for a programmer. Why not? Just give me all the disabilities while you're at it. But here, let's see what we do. So you can see in our terminal, you can see like when we print out item, it's like it's the file path. And here we're gonna make a dictionary, and we're gonna turn the file path into a simple string that actually tells you what the card is instead of a incredibly long file path that you have to read, because that gets annoying. And we are lazy. I am lazy. I don't know why I said we. So it's just kind of easy to read, because I'm very special, if it's just one word instead of a gigantic file path. Skeletons. You like the name, guys? Dict. Perfect. And here we're going to add the card to the hand. So remember that empty array we had earlier, we're going to append to it. And we're going to take, yeah, so that'll just give you the string. And then for CV2, to draw a rectangle, you have to have the bottom right. So we had to do a little bit of math here, which thankfully I did before this, so it's pretty easy. So you just find the bottom right, and then here we're going to draw the rectangle, which is pretty fun actually. If you've never drawn anything with OpenCV, it's very fun actually. And we're going to use a random feature which we imported earlier to get a random color. And bam, save the game. Back to the jerry rig. Beautiful finger. Play the game. Bam, you can see we got rectangles in the hand, and it shows you exactly what my hand is. Bam, perfect. All done. Gang gang. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe. Also, if you want to help me out with this project, object detection with sprites is incredibly hard. So if you have any recommendations for that, it would be greatly appreciated, because I am struggling. But other than that, just subscribe. I think there's like 17 of you guys, so shout out all 17 of you. This probably won't get more than 10 views, but that's okay. That's okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye.